Many people, apartments, and in the cellar of the house was a washing room, like a cellar. They used to wash the laundry there. There were no laundry machine at those times, so the laundry was washed and dried by a wheel, two wheels, which when you turn the wheel, you put the sheets between the two wheels, and it take out the water from the... And to me, it was like a cinema machine, in my imagination. So I took this stone mat, and I put it in front of the curtain, and then I cut from my mother. She was Polish, and she had many books from the university, and I don't know Polish, so I didn't care, and I cut all the pictures in the books. And I did a roll like a toilet paper. And then I can put the beginning of the toilet paper into this machine, and I will invent a story to the pictures. I stood there, I was 10 years old, and I announced in school that on Saturday at 10 in the morning, there will be my film in the laundry store, cellar. Nobody came. I thought, and I understood then, because I told them they have to pay a penny to come in. So nobody wanted to spend a penny. So I said the next Saturday, I said, anybody who will come to see my film, I pay him a penny. That was one of the big lessons in cinema for me. You must pay your audience, and not let the audience pay you. You must give them something, and something real, something interesting, something good. And that was in the beginning of my career. Then there was a story when I was 14.